Hello, this is Michal and welcome to Unreal5Master. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to apply custom weapon damage magnitude. We start with fresh LYRA starter game project as usual and Unreal 5.3. Okay, so first thing is to open content, gameplay effects and damage folder where we can find a few blueprint classes for damage. The most important one for us right now is set by color damage blueprint class, and we compare it with damage basic instant class, so you will see the difference. Oh, okay. The only difference I can see or I could see is in executions section and modifier magnitude. You have more options to use, and in instant damage scalable float option is used, but in damage basic set by color different modifier magnitude is used, and it set by color option is used. Okay, and very important thing is to define the tag you would use to define that magnitude. So now I close the instance and I will show you it or how to apply the damage, custom damage to somebody. I decided to apply it to myself. So first thing is to add debug key plus, but it really doesn't matter which one you use or how you use it. And we start by getting ability system component. So get ability system component. We use get LYRA ability system component operation for that. And then we make outgoing spec from it. So in this spec we choose which gameplay effect we would like to use, and of course we want to use that one named set by color. As you can see, you can use it also for healing or to apply similar approach for healing. Okay, so we defined gameplay effect, and now we need to define the magnitude. Yeah, so we use function or operation set assign tag set by color magnitude. So when we press the key, we set it. We need to choose the right tag. The tag must be the same as is defined in the gameplay effect, of course, and I decided to use 7.3 as an example magnitude. Now we just apply our gameplay effect with custom magnitude. So apply gameplay effect. As I said, I am going to apply it to myself, but you can apply it to anything you want. So, and as an input we use the last or latest version of our magnitude. And now I also print some string, so we will know that it really works. Okay, when we have it, okay, we can look at it. It's really simple. And now I would like to show you how it works in reality. Okay, so I decided to go to shoot a gym. There are some enemies, but I'm quickly finding some cover and applying damage to myself. Okay, so you can see it works. So this is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.